Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming essentials, then begin right away. Make sure your Vizio TV supports AirPlay 2 and is updated. That fixes most compatibility issues. Next, connect both your TV and your iPhone, iPad, or Mac to the same Wi-Fi network. Use either 4 GHz or 5 GHz as available. Once done, open the TV settings, go to System, and enable AirPlay. Make sure PIN options are set how you prefer. This controls initial pairing and security. Now you'll connect from your Apple device and understand why each step matters. On iPhone or iPad, swipe into Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, and pick the Vizio TV. This uses AirPlay protocol to stream video and audio. On Mac, click the AirPlay icon in the menu bar or go to Display Preferences and select your TV, which switches output. Once you choose the TV, accept the pairing prompt on the television and enter the PIN if shown. This secures the session and finish by controlling playback and knowing quick fixes if things fail. Use your Apple device to play or pause and adjust volume on the TV or the device. AirPlay forwards audio control. To stop, open Control Center, tap Stop Mirroring, or click the AirPlay icon on a Mac. Switching TV input also ends the session. If you hit problems, restart the TV and your Apple device, ensure both are on the same Wi-Fi, disable any VPNs, and retry. These steps resolve most network or pairing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.